Please like or dislike my work so that I can understand how I'm doing. Mind controlled bionic arms are helping thousands of peoples in our world. So let's see how it works. Motor control is the process by which humans and animals use their brain to control their muscles and limb. So signals from the brain travels to muscles in the arm, and we move our arm with these neural signals. These signals travel via nerves. So what happens with these nerves after amputation? Even after amputation, these nerves remain active. They are ready to transmit control signals for the missing part. But these signals can't go anywhere. Thanks to Rehabilitation Institute of Chicago, who developed TMR, targeted muscle reinnervation surgery creates the path. TMR reassigns nerves which help the amputee to control their bionic arms so that they can perform action just by thinking about the task. For example, if your arm is not exist from here, then the nerves related to arm and hand will be transferred into chest muscles. Nerves then grow into this new area, but it takes months for the new nerves to grow and work completely. Myoelectric signals are detected by placing electrodes on the skin. EMG records myoelectric signals and pass it on. When the patient tries to move his missing arm, brain signals to the nerves in the new area, which then generates EMG signals. These signals are used to control a prosthesis arm. And here come the unintended discovery. While observing TMR results, researchers found that the TMR procedure is unintentionally helping patients to regain sensation in their transfer nerves. This unintended discovery called as targeted sensory reinnervation (TSR). After amputation, patients lose their arm as well as receptors, so they can't transmit sense-related information back to the brain, like temperatures of things they are holding. What TSR do? It involves mapping of sensory nerves for the point in the fingers and palm. It helps the patient to transmit the sensory information back to the brain. If you want the illustration which I have used in this presentation, you can mail me or you can tweet me. I will send it to you. Please like or dislike my work so that I can understand how I'm doing. For more detailed research, please see the link in the description or you will see it here. So I am signing off now as I need to make next video and the link will be in the description. Thanks a lot guys for watching.